lemon bar. So I'm gonna taste it right now. It tastes delicious. It is very good, very good. Okay, I just sprayed a small pan with some spray olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and use the remainder of this chocolate in this pan here. I'm thinking about mixing some lemon bars, so I will use the same batter to make the crust for the lemon bars. I think I have enough, so let's see. I should have added butter to the bottom of this pan, but I didn't, instead of olive oil. I think it's gonna be enough. Okay, it's gonna be enough to make my crust. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven. And I will let you know how long it took for the crust to develop. I grated up some lemon peel and added it to the bowl here. So I already squeezed out 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. I'm gonna go ahead and place 3 whole eggs in the bowl here. And I'm only gonna do the the yolk from the 4th egg. I'm gonna remove the yolk. I'm gonna remove the egg white and add 1 yolk to this mixture. Place the white on the side. And let me mix this up. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of Rictatol. Let me see if I can just pour it in a cup this time. This is 1 cup. Probably take the whole bag. You're right. I took the whole bit, almost the whole bag. Mix this up. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of arrowroot. Okay. And this is what arrowroot looks like. I've used gluten-free. See if I can get it back from the camera so you can see it. So let me see. I feel good. Organic arrowroot powder. Okay, it's gluten-free. Mix this up. I wanted to make sure I get all of the lumps out of the filling, because when I added the arrowroot, it kind of lumped up a little bit, but probably should have put it in a little water, but I didn't, so it should be fine. All right, I'm gonna add it to the pan. Here's the small pan. This is some of the same muffin mix that I used to make the muffins. I just decided to use it as a crust. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour the lemon meringue on top of it. And I'm gonna place it in the oven. For about 25 minutes. If that changes, I'll let you know. Okay. Flourless chocolate cupcakes with cream chocolate frosting, and also in my upside down lemon bar crust. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.